Alright, I'm over here at my aunt's new condo. This is her unit. As you can see, it's an Amana. Looks like it's... I wonder if it'll say on the tag. Anyways, let's see here. Model number ASZ1601181LC. Serial number is 1802308303. I just realized I ain't showing that at all. Apologies. And then we got, so is there a manufacturing date on this? Phase. Doesn't look like this manufacturing date just directly written out. If I recall correctly, 18, I want to say that is like the year. I have to double check. Over here we got this unit, which looks like an old Carrier or a Heil. It is down here, it says, yep, Carrier. It's a Carrier, it's off right now. The serial number is 1205E28779. The model number is 38YCC024340. Apologies for not showing that directly. So yes, if I recall correctly, it's a 2005 Carrier. So we got an 05 Carrier. And one I'm pretty sure is a 2018 Amana. The Amana, of course, is running. Carrier, are you a heat pump or a straight cool? The air heat pump, looks like. I think I see a reversing valve down there, so I guess the Amana is a heat pump too. So yeah, I haven't really done one of these in a long time, but I had to show these off. So we got an Amana and a Carrier, 2018 Amana and a 2005 Carrier heat pumps. The Amana is currently running. Over and out.